This is how you can add a green check and a red cross on the status, and at the same time provide a strike through if it's completed with a green check. Let's get started. So first, click on your status cell here. Then after that, you go to conditional formatting, then click on new rules. Once a pop-up window comes up here, on the format style, you'll be selecting icon set, and then icon style, let's select cross exclamation and a check. Then over here, you're going to put show icon only, and on the check, if you eyeball all the way to the right, this percentage has to be changed to numbers, and we're going to say that 1 represents a check. And then over here, we're going to change this exclamation to cross, and then we're going to remove the extra cross and say no cell icon. Now if you eyeball all the way to the right here, you're going to change percent to number, and we're going to leave the 0 as it is here. So 0 means red cross and 1 means green check. Once that's done, click on OK, and then you can, if you press 1 here and hit enter, you can see it turns green check, and you put 0, you'll put red cross. So next thing we want to do is to put the strike through on this. Select the task, the very first task here, and let's go conditional formatting again and say new rule. On this new formatting rule, you're going to select use a formula to determine which cell to format. Over here on the formula, you're going to say equal B2, which is this one here, equal 1. So which means if it's 1, you're going to strike through. Click on format there. Make sure there's a check here and click on OK. So it should look like that on your preview. Once that's done, click on OK. Now just as a test, if I were to put 1 here, you can see that the task for that respective task for the respective status is strike through. And if you put 0 here, which represent cross, there's no strike through at all. Now the only thing you have to do is to apply the formatting of this 2 cell to the rest of the cell on the row here. Select the 2 tasks here, the task and the status, paint format, and you select the remaining of the row all the way down, and then release it. Now the formatting has been applied to all the rows. Now if you do 1 here, you can see whenever there's a green check, there's a strike through. Whenever there's a red cross, there's no strike through.